angle. Yeah, the angle.
Oh, you're getting behind. Yeah.
No, you're not. You're right on time.
I'm anxious to see all the kids.
I'll get this bottle out of the way, Julie.
You big guys, get in there close.
Okay.
You ready, Charlie? Get down.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Charlie. Happy birthday to you.
And
Okay. Lean forward, blow the candles out. Okay.
Lower.
Come on. Can you get there?
Cupcakes all over that.
Hey, you ready?
Blow. Don't touch it.
Go.
Blow. Go again.
Keep on.
Oh, yeah! Good job.
What a nice
We're
job.
gonna do one more.
You know, you may as
Trying
well.
to find Sean.
Whoops.
Oh, you meant to. Where's Sean?
What's he doing over there?
He's on the computer. Boy, isn't that just like a guy?
I don't know.
He's on the computer when
pal
we're
or
singing.
something. I know,
Wiping
it's not, it doesn't feel like a birthday anymore.
Aw.
Sean wasn't
Do
good.
it again.